It's loaded, ready to shoot.
All right. Now I'm gonna go for 25 yards, but I'm gonna take my time and work on my accuracy.
Yes.
What we got here? One.
Wonderful. Nice shooting, sir. Great job. That's great job.
5.
They are all together. Grouping is very nice. You have a nice grouping. You're taking time, shot after shot. That's good. Good job.
Not the best. Not the best, but 25 yards is pretty far.
Loaded,
I
ready.
won't be comfortable because I always have room for movement, so let's try that again and see if we can do better.
So you want to do one hand?
25 yards. I like all the Glock feeling. It's been a while since I've shot this thing. This thing carries and kick. Brass, blazer brass. I find it's the hottest 10 millimeter. American Eagle, not so much. Remington. Blazer, I find is the hottest, so. Flinched. Let's see what we got here.
Because he's using firearm.
Ooh, I like that. 2 in the head. Right here. 1, 2.
We left all 3 kids at home. With a big girl.
3, 4,
So she can't babysit them.
5, 6, 7. Not bad, not bad. I think what's happening,
On a clip.
he'll be hitting the same hole more than once, so I can't really count it, but I can see where it looks like double
Your
penetration.
second magazine is on the target. You're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna try one at 25 yards. Let's see. One at 25 yards. See what we got. All right, let's see what we got.
Pay attention.
They're good. You don't see any?
Loaded.
That's not good. But this paper's pretty shot up. Man, I couldn't have missed everything.
Extend your arm, lock your elbows.
Let me change this paper.